Welcome back to my channel and blessed Sunday if you're listening today. The story I'm about to read is dedicated to my talented, phenomenal, beautiful cousin Kenya. I call it Princess Kenya. Let's begin. Princess Kenya has a royal mind. Her mother tells her good things all the time. Before she was even born, her mother told her that she is a star. Now that she's 3, she doesn't need validation from anybody. If you tell her she's pretty, she replies with, I know I am. Kenya understands that she's all that and more. She's so independent and she's not even yet 4. She walks with her head held high and dances in the sun. Kenya loves to laugh. She is the queen of fun. She embraces life with vigor and is the champion of joy. She plays with herself alone or with her toys. But lately, she tells her mom, Mom, I really need to go to school so I can learn more and make friends. Her mother knows she would do just fine, for Kenya has a great soul and a royal mind. She sometimes goes to the mirror and says, Kenya is smart. Kenya is kind. Kenya speaks her mind. Her parents nearby hear her and smile. Her dad is the calm kind, and her mother is a bit more of a warrior. When her mom gets worried about her dad who works late at night, Kenya calms her mind by saying, Mommy, Daddy is just fine. And when Daddy is home exhausted from work, Kenya helps Mommy prepare his meals and make sure he gets well needed sleep. It's true when they say, a child shall lead. For Kenya shows that she doesn't need to be old to be the CEO of her own life. Already she's a child of pride, a child who does what's right, a princess who's delighted by the simple joys of life, like sunshine, butterflies, and rain. Kenya have so much to give and so much to gain. And so we write this book to lift Kenya up always, and little boys and girls just like her. May this be a firm reminder, no matter how old Kenya gets, no matter what the world says, no matter if racism never ends, that Kenya is royal and her own story she can tell. Kenya, we want you to always remember your heart of gold, your beautiful hue, and to yourself, always be true. And as a village, we promise to protect Kenya and little girls and boys who look like her. Our prayer is that her courage, her self-love, and awareness will never depart. Kenya and all our children know that we love you with all our hearts. And to close, we want Kenya to know that she can be anything she wants to be. Never limit yourself. Remember what you're about. And may you, Kenya, always remain smart, strong, beautiful, happy, and proud. The end. Thank you so much for listening. I wrote this for Kenya as a reminder, something that she'll always have no matter what comes her way, to remember that she is phenomenal. And to all little boys and girls, to always know that they are the greatest gifts we have on earth. Thank you. Oh, do remember to subscribe for more stories and check the link in my bio for links to my books that are published on Amazon, or you can get it on my store directly from me. Hand sign if you want to. Just send me a message. All right, bless.